How to create Binance account? If you not yet have Binance account or you cannot KYC successfully, you can yeah, you can follow my video or you can join my Telegram. For KYC success, I will help you. I have team to teach you to tell you yes about the
Oh
cryptocurrency.
my
Yes,
god.
now please download Binance app. Go to App Store or Play Store. Yes, to download. For me, I download already now. I select open, and you see here you select sign up. You must have the Gmail. Gmail, you must you make sure that your Gmail is security that you open to stay verified already. Yes, I have master Dubai Binance team and Vietnam team that have clearly signal. Yes, clearly signal and trading view is really we have super robot AI. Yeah. We have technology of machine technology that we can control uh, 18 wallet. Yeah. When buy sell, we can control 18 million wallet, and the machine can know yeah, the future of Bitcoin price. Yes, very good. Yeah, and very clearly for uh, this work. Yes, when you put Gmail already, we'll send you the code, and you take your code at the Gmail and put here, and then you must create the password. Yeah, we have our team clearly the new. Yeah, how to success, how to win, not lose money. Yeah, for the new member, you must study. Yeah, uh, for here very important, you must put my referral ID, referral code that you can join to learning free in my group Telegram. Yes, my referral code 1 2 6 3 6 1 5 1 4. Yes, you must put refill or put the referral code here. Yes, when you become on my team, you can study free. Yeah, you get signal free. Yes, I will tell you I have team for help you how to become KOL of Binance. Yeah, and here you must select the country, select your country, and select your document, ID card or passport or like driver license. Yes, so you can choose what you have and which one you want. Yes. For cryptocurrency, the future of the money in the world is cryptocurrency, and Binance is the biggest blockchain or the biggest uh, app that the people all the world around the world can believe and take all digital assets to put in Binance app. Yeah, you can choose already and passport or driver license or ID document, and then you take photo or you select from album, no problem. Yes. So all people will take digital asset to put or to keep with Binance app because very security and the biggest number one. Yeah. And then you must scan your ID, okay. Scan your face. So we need to learn for new student, and for the old student that you lost money a lot with future. Yeah, you lost your account, you can back again, you can try again, you can work on the new way with my team. Yeah, that our team have Dubai team and Vietnam team. Vietnam is number two of millionaire from cryptocurrency. Yes, so you if you want to become a KOL, yeah, you can join my Telegram group. Telegram. I will bring you to millionaire. You want change your life. You want millionaire. So don't wait anymore. Please join my group Telegram now. We will support you all if you want to be change your life.